American tank destroyer sister, Switchblade 600 kamikaze drone, crashed grounded through Russian electronic warfare somewhere in Novodonetsk, in the northern Donetsk region. Footage published by the Russian Army, on July 24, 2023, shows that the rival unmanned aerial vehicle, Lancet drone, is stranded and unexploded by EU jamming for the first time in months. Switchblade 600 by AeroVironment is equipped with the warhead of ATGM-FGM-148 Javelin missile, launched from a mortar-like transport and launch container, and controlled in flight by the operator at a range of several tens of kilometers. Ultimately, the rival Lancet drone appears in such a way, having been captured and landed with electronic jamming. The well-known Switchblade 600 is part of the announcement of a new $1.3 billion purchase of American military aid to Ukraine in the coming days. This is Ukrainian big hope as a game changer. But instead, it is the Russian Lancet that has turned many Ukrainian military equipment and vehicles into scrap metal. Ukraine did receive a number of these drones, and they are much more expensive than the Lancet. Although Ukraine is actively using it, there is no video with the results of the attack yet. The Russian military has already shown the wreckage several times, and now will explore a new design feature, an answer of Switchblade 600.